Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Crypto by and large has been in the news a great deal of late, and it's no big surprise. With the unstable idea of crypto costs, becoming involved with the hype is simple. The vast majority are centered around the crypto market drifts just. However, there are really various extremely captivating business arrangements in the crypto circle. What's more, one of them is loaning computerized money, which is genuinely critical. That model is carried out in Abracadabra.money, an exceptionally secretive undertaking we'll examine today in a significant manner. How about we sort of get into it? All in all, priorities straight. What is Abracadabra.money? Abracadabra.money, or Abracadabra, is an imaginative loaning stage that explicitly offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without having to sell their resources basically. The stage is controlled by blockchain innovation and offers straightforward, secure, and easy-to-use loaning and acquiring administrations, which is genuinely critical. Abracadabra permits clients to choose the terms for their credit, including their financing cost, advance span, and guarantee necessities. The stage likewise gives a gamble the board framework to safeguard money lenders from defaulting borrowers, which explicitly is very critical. Administration clients can use their advanced resources as exceptionally guaranteed to especially get MIM, or Magic Internet Money, the venture's stablecoin fixed to USD. Past Reddit image that filled in as the beginning of MIM's name. The MIM stablecoin can commonly be traded for USD or some other cryptographic money in a significant manner. MIM's ongoing circling supply is over 2.78 billion tokens with a noteworthy market capitalization of $2.77 billion. Fixed to USD, MIM's truly current essentially normal cost esteem is around 99 cents. Incredibly, Abracadabra's other local sort of token is Spell, which depends on the Ethereum blockchain and fills in as an administration really token. An administration in every practical sense. Token is a kind of digital currency token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the venture's heading. Advancement choices, for instance, could really be put to the vote among kind of symbolic holders. The more tokens an individual or element holds, the for the most part more weight their decision in favor of all aims and purposes has. Along these lines, administration tokens mean to decentralize power away from a little gathering of chiefs or engineers and give each and every individual who claims tokens a say in how the undertaking advances. Essentially, administration token holders sort of are partners, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Abracadabra stage likewise sent off Spell, a minor essentially token utilized for sort of Spell donors' income dispersion. When was the Spell token sent off? The primary notice of Spell returns to 2021. Who really is behind the Spell token? The undertakings group is unknown, and no one truly realizes who sort of is behind Spell. Where is the Spell token utilized, which generally is genuinely critical? Spell sort of is utilized in the Abracadabra.money biological system as an administration cryptographic money and for expenses really procured from the convention. Is the Spell kind of token a stablecoin? No, it's not. What is Spell's flowing stockpile in a quite huge manner? Right now, basically Spell has a coursing supply of more than 83 billion tokens, which is very critical. Is Spell an upfront investment in inconspicuous way? Many individuals are contemplating whether this present time really is the opportunity to especially put resources into the Spell kind of token. The symbolics cost has been very steady of late, yet when the crypto market was in every practical sense, blasting as of late, the Spell token explicitly saw a critical cost rise, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Being a piece of an exceptionally dim, strange undertaking, the Spell genuinely token conveys some gamble however might actually be a productive speculation. Spell token price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of sort of Spell token costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Spell token will be $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. The most extreme level that the Spell cost can reach by and large is $0.002. Incredibly, the typical exchanging cost basically is normal around $0.002. Spell token price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of explicitly spell kind of token in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of essentially spell extremely token will be around $0.003, which is very critical. The fundamentally most extreme expected explicitly spell cost may basically be around $0.003. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.003 in 2023, which is genuinely huge. Spell token price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of truly spell token, in 2024, spell generally is supposed to have the accompanying least and especially most extreme costs, about $0.004 and $0.005, separately. For the most part normal expected exchanging cost in a real sense is $0.004. Spell in every practical sense, token price prediction 2025, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money in every practical sense, have broke down the costs of spell token and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the genuinely least spell cost could drop to $0.006, while its greatest can fundamentally reach $0.007. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0.006. Spell token price prediction 2026 in a significant manner. In light of the examination of the expenses of spell token by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least especially spell costs in every way that really matters, are normal in 2026, $0.010 and $0.008. Overall, it will in a real sense be exchanged at $0.008. Spell token price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of spell token. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical spell cost will be around $0.012, which is very critical. It could drop to a for the most part least of $0.012, however it actually could really reach $0.014 all through 2027. Spell token price prediction 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists explicitly plan conjectures at the cost of spell token. It is assessed that spell will especially be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0.018 and $0.021 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $0.019 during the year. Spell truly token price prediction